Hey everybody, it's Mary. Welcome back to the kitchen. Who likes simple, easy recipes? I know I do. Tonight we are going to make something with only 6 ingredients. Have you seen the recipes floating around social media where you make the corn casserole? Okay. I have a box, just a small box of cornbread mix. I'm going to dump it in there. I have I have a can of cream style corn and a can of whole kernel corn. Just dump everything in there. Okay. Don't drain the whole kernel. Okay. I have half a stick of melted butter and a cup of sour cream. I mix all this up. Sorry guys, I try to get everything out. I try not to waste it. What about you? Do you get the last drop that you possibly can out of the container? My mama taught me not to waste, and I'm trying to always stick with that. Okay, so I'm going to stir this up. I'm not sure if this is supposed to be like a knockoff of a Mexican cornbread without the spice and the heat, but I'm excited to find out. We are going to test this together. I mean, it sounds really good. Okay, I have just an 8-inch square baking dish. Okay, I'm going to spray it with my nonstick spray. Put this in the baking dish. Okay. And folks, you know me, if you've watched my channel very long, I don't always follow every instruction to the T. Well, this is one of those dishes where I'm not going to do that. Okay. The normal instructions, you stop right here and you bake it. But myself, I'm going to add one more ingredient. I'm going to add just a little sprinkle of shredded cheese on top because all my family likes cheese. And cheese makes everything better, right? So, I'm going to sprinkle some cheese on there. Give it just a tiny little mix in there. Folks, don't worry about trying to get the instructions. I'll put everything in the description box. So, let's put this in the oven. And I can't wait for this to come out. Okay, folks, I just took the casserole out of the oven. Okay, there's no jiggle to it, and it has started to brown around the edges. So, let's see what this tastes like. It looks pretty. And I think I'm going to like the cheese in there, even though it wasn't called for it. Let it cool for just a second. Now folks, I am going to give you an honest opinion on this. If I like it, I'll tell you. And if I think it's not that great, I'll tell you that too. So. It's different. It's good. It's got a different texture to it. I'm just not used to a corn pudding. It almost reminds me of my mom's fried corn with cornbread mixed in there. And a little bit of cheese. So it's pretty good. It'd be something I make again. Hopefully my family likes it, but folks, simple and easy. Only 6 ingredients. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Like, subscribe, and share.